In the recent opening of the sectoral debate on the 18th of April 2023, the Minister of Tourism and other government ministers made so much of an uproar during their celebrations. They were celebrating 90%, 80%, and 70% growth in the tourism industry for 2022 over 2021 period. However, what they were celebrating was not an actual growth in tourism market, but a partial recovery to 2019 levels after the COVID-19 lockdowns of 2020 and 2021. If the Minister of Tourism and the government want to see a 90% growth in the tourism industry, then they need to start doing that in 2023. The country did not recover the 2019 number of visitors in 2022, though the actual income from tourism in 2022 was marginally higher than that of 2019. Personally, I think that Jamaica needs to triple the number of visitors who are visiting Jamaica over the next few years.
This is your JIS News for Friday, May 19, 2023. Jamaica's aviation traffic has rebounded to 6 million passengers, or 91% of pre-COVID-19 levels. Minister of Transport and Mining Audley Shaw made the disclosure during his recent contribution to the 2023-2024 sectoral debate in Parliament, pointing out that Jamaica's aviation traffic fell by 2.2 million passengers in 2020. Minister Shaw reveals that the global air traffic recovery rate as of December 2022 is 72%, as published by the Airports Council International.
As I indicated, this remarkable recovery has taken place halfway through the projected 6 years. This honorable House should note Jamaica also matches stride with Latin America and the Caribbean region as the world leader in air traffic recovery.
According to the UNWTO, that's the United Nations World Tourism Organization, there are 6 countries in the region which had recovered the 2019 visitor numbers at the end of 2022. Jamaica was not among the 6 countries, 5 of which are in the Caribbean and 1 in South America. See quote below from the UNWTO, World Tourism Organization, and I'll quote their thing now. Quote, the US Virgin Islands already surpassed by 27% its tourism performances of 2019, but also St. Martin Islands, the Dominican Republic, Curacao, and Aruba were among the best performing destinations located in the Caribbean. While Aruba experienced a slight decline of 3% compared to 2019, all the other islands in the region recorded growth rates between 6% and 15% over 2019 results, unquote. Hence, there are 5 named countries above, which is in the Caribbean, that had recovered their pre-COVID numbers in 2022. There were some other small islands as well that had recovered their numbers. Aruba did well, though they were 3% below the 2019 number of visitors, according to the report. Note how the UNWTO compared 2022 against 2019 figures. They did not compare it against the lockdown years of 2021 and 2022. The report also stated that the South American country of Colombia had surpassed the 2019 figures as well, though most South American countries did not fully recover in 2022. See quotation below. Quote, however, Colombia was on an exception with arrival above its pre-pandemic levels by 5%, unquote. It's time that the Jamaican politicians from both political parties stop dumbing down the Jamaican people. The middle class in Jamaica know what's going on, but they just play along for one reason or another.